How to hide your Steam game activity. This tutorial shows you how to limit who can see your playtime and game history. First, open the Steam app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile name at the top. After that, tap Edit Profile. At this point, tap Privacy Settings. Following this, look for My Profile, since this controls the overall visibility of your account. From here, set it to Friends Only or Private, depending on how restricted you want it. At this stage, scroll down and find Game Details specifically. Following this, set that to Private as well, since this is what controls whether others can see your playtime and game history. From here, if you still want select friends to see it while hiding it from everyone else, choose Friends Only instead of Private for that setting. At this stage, check for a separate option related to recently played games, since some versions of the app list this on its own. Following this, adjust that to match your other privacy settings. Once everything is set, your game activity, playtime, and history become hidden from anyone outside the audience you selected. That's how you hide your Steam game activity. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.